Want to learn more about the Merach NovaWalk W50 TrekPad? In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know if you're in the market for a reliable machine that can handle everything from casual walks to light jogs. Merach sent this unit over for me to test, but as always, this review is based on my own experience using it. I'll walk you through its features, what sets it apart from traditional walking pads, and who I think it's best suited for. Merach's mission is to democratize fitness technology. Their goal is to make commercial-grade fitness equipment more affordable so you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to bring quality workout equipment into your home. I've used many of their products in the past, and I'm happy to share my experience with this one. So let's start with the unboxing. Everything arrives in one large box, and inside you'll find the Merach NovaWalk W50 TrekPad, a power cable, wireless magnetic remote control, a user manual, and an Allen wrench for making belt adjustments if the walking belt needs to ever be recentered or tightened over time. One thing I really appreciate is that there's virtually no assembly required. After removing the packaging, all I had to do was plug it in, power it on, wrap the remote around my wrist, and it was ready to go within minutes. If you've ever assembled a traditional treadmill before, you'll definitely appreciate how quick and easy the setup is. The remote itself is magnetic, so when you're finished using it, it snaps securely onto the top of the pad right next to the display, making it much harder to misplace. Using the remote, you can power the TrekPad on and off, adjust the walking speed, raise or lower the incline, and press the center M button to cycle through different workout modes based on time, distance, or calories burned. There's also a leather-wrapped handle that makes lifting and transporting the unit much more comfortable. So what makes it a TrekPad? One thing you'll notice is that Merach doesn't call this a walking pad outright. They call it a TrekPad. According to Merach, the TrekPad is engineered for greater durability and designed to withstand long hours of daily use. Rather than simply shrinking down a treadmill, they focused on building something that's tougher than a conventional walking pad while maintaining a compact footprint. The biggest reason is what's inside. The W50 features a commercial-grade 3.5 horsepower peak brushless motor that's actually more powerful than the motors you'll find in some full-size treadmills. It supports speeds from 0.6 to 4.0 miles per hour, can operate for up to 10 hours without overheating, runs impressively quiet, and because it's brushless, it's designed for years of reliable performance. If you're shopping for a walking pad under $500, this is one of the strongest motor setups you can find. The next thing that stands out is just how solid this machine feels. The NovaWalk W50 combines a 15.3mm reinforced running deck with an industrial-grade steel frame, allowing it to support an impressive 400-pound weight capacity. That's significantly higher than many walking pads currently on the market. To test that durability, I walked while carrying a pair of heavy dumbbells, and even jumped up and down on the platform. Throughout both tests, it remained stable and felt incredibly solid. The walking surface measures 16.5 inches wide by 41.3 inches long, giving you plenty of room to walk comfortably without feeling cramped, and its total product weight is about 67 pounds. Overall, it feels much sturdier under your feet than many lightweight walking pads I've used. With the W50, you can use it for dedicated workouts, brisk walks, or light jogs. But it's also great for walking while checking your phone, responding to emails, watching TV, and listening to music. Instead of spending hours sitting, it's a simple way to increase your daily movement without changing your routine. Merach also backs the W50 with a 2-year warranty, and because it's designed for long-term durability, it's built to help you avoid replacing cheaper walking pads every couple of years. One of the best features of the W50 is its 12-level motorized incline. This is something you don't see on most walking pads. With the push of a button, the W50 automatically raises to an incline of up to 12%. The transition in the incline feels very smooth, and it's not jerky at all. As soon as you start walking uphill, you'll immediately notice your glutes, hamstrings, and calves working much harder. Walking on an incline can burn up to 30% more calories than walking on a flat surface because you're increasing the intensity without having to run, and even more so when you're jogging. In addition to burning more calories, incline walking can also strengthen your lower body, improve cardiovascular endurance, and provide an excellent low-impact workout. If you want more challenging workouts without upgrading to a full treadmill, this feature alone is a major advantage. The W50 is also compatible with the Merach App, which includes instructor-led workouts, guided training sessions, and additional workout programs. One feature I thought was especially cool is that the TrekPad automatically adjusts. For example, if your instructor tells you to increase the incline to 4%, the W50 automatically raises itself without you needing to press anything. That makes the experience feel much more interactive and helps you stay focused on the workout. If you tend to get bored while walking, these guided workouts definitely make longer sessions much more engaging. When it's time to move the TrekPad, simply unplug the power cable, snap the magnetic remote back onto the frame, grab the leather-wrapped handle, and roll it to wherever you need. Its compact size also makes it easy to slide underneath a bed, couch, or into a closet when you're finished using it, making it a great option for apartments or smaller spaces. So who is this TrekPad for? If you're looking for a pad that's built to last, features one of the strongest motors in its price range, supports up to 400 pounds, includes a 12-level motorized incline, and has its own interactive workout app, the W50 offers a great value. It really bridges the gap between a compact walking pad and a traditional treadmill by offering many of the features you'd expect from a much larger machine while maintaining a small footprint. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out the link in my description. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.